Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into two popular motherboards from MSI, the B550 Gaming GEN3 and the PRO B650-S Wi-Fi. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and features to help you determine which motherboard is the best fit for your gaming or professional needs. Let's get started. The MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 motherboard utilizes the AM4 socket, making it compatible with AMD Ryzen 5000 and 4000 G-series processors. In contrast, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi motherboard features the newer AM5 socket, designed for the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. This difference in socket type means that the two motherboards are not interchangeable, and users should consider their CPU choice when selecting a motherboard. When it comes to memory support, the B550 Gaming GEN3 supports DDR4 memory, which is widely used and offers decent performance. On the other hand, the PRO B650-S Wi-Fi supports the newer DDR5 memory, which provides higher bandwidth and lower latency, enhancing overall system performance. This makes the B650-S a better choice for users looking to future-proof their builds with the latest technology. In terms of networking features, the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 lacks integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which may require users to invest in additional hardware for wireless connectivity. Conversely, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi motherboard comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, offering superior connectivity options and making it a more versatile choice for modern setups. In conclusion, both the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 and the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. The B550 is a budget-friendly option suitable for gamers on a tight budget, while the B650-S offers advanced features and future-proofing capabilities for those looking to build a high-performance system. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.